Here's how to change the app icon theme on a Samsung Galaxy phone so supported apps display a different icon style across the device in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to give your phone a fresh look without replacing the default launcher. First, touch and hold an empty space on your home screen. This opens the editing menu where you'll see options like wallpapers, widgets, and themes. Once you're inside, tap Themes to open the Galaxy Theme Store. If your version looks slightly different, look for the Galaxy Themes option in the same menu. Next, sign into your Samsung account if you're asked. You'll then see different theme categories and recommendations. Then, tap the Icons tab to browse available icon packs for your phone. After that, pick an icon pack you like. You'll see a preview page showing how the icons will look and whether the pack is free or paid. Tap Download or complete the purchase if needed and wait for the download to finish. Now, open the menu inside Galaxy Themes and tap My Stuff. Select icons to view the icon packs you've downloaded. Choose the one you want to tap and apply. A confirmation message will appear and your Samsung launcher will update the supported app icons. Once the changes are applied, return to the home screen and check your apps. If you notice that some icons did not change, that's normal because Samsung icon packs do not support every app. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Install Samsung's Good Luck app if it's available for your device, then install the Theme Park module. Download the compatible third-party icon pack, open Theme Park, go to the icon section, tap Create New, choose the icon pack, and apply the custom icon theme for broader icon coverage. If Galaxy Themes won't open, make sure you're signed in with a Samsung account and that your phone supports the feature. Once everything is set, supported app icons will display the selected icon theme across your Samsung launcher, while unsupported apps may keep their original appearance. Following these simple steps makes changing the app icon theme on your Samsung phone quick and easy.